Hey everyone, Josh here. So this is part 2 of, I don't know how many yet, of DIY V10 engine removal on my Volkswagen Touareg. As you can see, the engine is out. So this video here is going to be what all needs to be undone to get this thing sitting how it is. So I'll probably do this video as all the connections and everything that you have to unbolt, and then I'll probably do a third one of some tips and tricks that I learned trying to bring this out on a skid, as well as the actual video of it coming out, and me testing all the limits of all the wiring that I forgot to disconnect. So hope you enjoy it. You can subscribe if you want to keep in touch with what's going on with this Touareg, and see how the project goes. I'm just gonna explain this one, and already have everything undone, but it's kind of hard to get underneath here with a camera and a good light. So you've got your transmission couplers or wiring connectors there. So there's 3. I just kind of tucked them up above the transmission. I'm hoping they slide out fine there. You've got an exhaust hanger on your rear cats on both sides. And then you've got your drive coupler as well as your exhaust on both sides. And then your transfer case plugs, which I think they can just hang there and they should clear. I guess there's one way to find out, but I'm hoping they clear. And then there's your steering rack. There's a cover on there that has 2 8mm bolts, so you can take the cover off, and then there's just a clamping screw bolted through it. I got a video of it through the other wheel well, but it's kind of hard to see what we're looking at, so I'll jump over there and take a video with my camera quick. So here's your steering rack, there's your input, and you can just kind of see the top of the yoke there. A ball end socket will fit nice. If you have your wheels straight ahead, the head will be facing out this way, so you can kind of go in through this the wheel well here, and it will fit nicely. You've also got some coolant lines here coming from your Webasto, as well as you got a wiring connector there on your steering rack.